Glare.
गुस्से से घूरना.
Meaning, to stare angrily. Sentence, she gave him a glare when he interrupted her. Feel blue.
उदास महसूस करना.
Meaning, to feel sad. Sentence, he felt blue after hearing the bad news. Dejected.
मायूस.
Meaning, feeling sad and downcast. Sentence, she felt dejected after failing the exam. Ecstatic.
बहुत खुश.
Meaning, extremely happy. Sentence, they were ecstatic about their wedding. Enraged.
गुस्से से भरपूर.
Meaning, extremely angry. Sentence, he was enraged by the unfair decision. Outraged.
गुस्सा से भर जाना.
Meaning, shocked and angry. Sentence, the community was outraged by the incident. Woeful.
गमगीन.
Meaning, full of sorrow. Sentence, she gave a woeful sigh. Disheartened.
दिल शिकस्ता.
Meaning, discouraged. Sentence, he felt disheartened by the negative feedback. Elated.
खुश.
Meaning, very happy. Sentence, she was elated at the news of her promotion. Delighted.
बहुत खुश.
Meaning, extremely pleased. Sentence, they were delighted with their results. Pleased.
खुश.
Meaning, happy or satisfied. Sentence, I am pleased with your progress. Glad.
खुश.
Meaning, happy. Sentence, I am glad to see you. Shed tears.
आंसू बहाना.
Meaning, to cry. Sentence, she shed tears of joy. Sob.
सिसकी लेना.
Meaning, to cry noisily. Sentence, he sobbed after hearing the sad news. Weep.
रोना.
Meaning, to cry. Sentence, she wept for hours after the breakup. Tear up.
आंसू आ जाना.
Meaning, to start to cry. Sentence, he teared up at the touching story. Choke up.
आवाज भराना.
Meaning, to feel like you are going to cry. Sentence, she choked up while giving her speech. Feel down.
उदास महसूस करना.
Meaning, to feel sad. Sentence, he has been feeling down lately. Furious.
गुस्से से भरपूर.
meaning extremely angry. Sentence, he was furious about the mistake. Mad,
गुस्सा,
meaning very angry. Sentence, she was mad at her brother. Preschool Planet. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips. See you next time.